Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 27th of November. And I'm starting off with Blinkx, where it looks as though we've got a decent daily candle yesterday. The open was the low of the day, close at the high, also breaking that September resistance line of this descending triangle from July. View now is as little as an end of day close back above the 27 pence July floor could take the shares back up to a 30 pence 50-day moving average zone, minimum target on the upside, and if that can be cleared relatively quickly the next few sessions, we'll be looking for quite a fast flip back towards post-September resistance at 40 pence. At this stage, only really an end-of-day close back below yesterday's floor, 23.5 pence, would be outright negative and suggest that more of the downtrend that we've seen for many months here at Blinkx is on the cards. Next up is Concha, where there have been thrills and spills over recent sessions. You can see here there was a great sell signal in terms of the unfilled gap to the downside at the start of the week, another gap as well through the 20-day moving average, but it does look as though that was an overshoot in terms of the bear trap rebound from below the initial 4.2 pence floor for November. The view at the moment is, while there's no end of day close back below 4.2 pence, we are in bottom fishing mode, and one could buy towards that zone. Decent end of day close above the 50-day moving average yesterday at 4.95 was also helpful. In terms of the upside, it may be wrong to be too ambitious at this stage, but maybe back towards the 10-day moving average, 6.5 pence, 6.6 pence, something like that. Could be the initial target over the next few sessions, and we take it from there. MTV, Motive Television, also in focus at the moment. This is on the basis of the higher low bear trap rebound from just below the 50-day moving average at 0.14 pence after the spike that we saw earlier in the week. Stop loss obviously just below let's say 0.12, which is the November floor, and then looking for a retracement back up to 0.24, which was the best level of November to date. But just the first signs that we have a lasting reversal chance here for Motive Television. Sticking with the TV theme, PeerTV, another stock which similar sort of action here in terms of the spike attempt through the 200-day moving average. This was actually a 2-day island top, so we want to be careful of what happens next here. Could be a bear signal, but if there is an end of day close back above the 0.42 pence level of the 10-day moving average, we could see partial or even full retest of the 1 pence plus resistance of November to date. This stage only really back below the 50-day moving average, 0.21 pence would be outright bearish, and as you can see, the RSI here still above neutral 50, so that is a plus in terms of this being a positive consolidation so far this week rather than a negative one. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.